What's up, guys? I'm in my pajamas now. It is 3 a.m. and I'm gonna spin my fidget spinner, guys. No way. As you can see, there is light outside because the garage light's open. But I'm in my room right now. As you can see, it is 3:02 p.m. guys. I mean a.m. Oh, a.m. guys. I'm gonna spin my fidget spinner at 3 a.m. guys. Oh my god, here it is. Here it is. If you can't see it, this is my fidget spinner. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the lights and show you my fidget spinner, guys. It's a brand new fidget spinner, I know, right? But we're gonna leave it there, see if it spins or not. I'll turn off the lights and I'll, record it. Alright guys, so far nothing has really even happened. I don't know what's happening right now, guys, but yeah, I don't know. Yeah. Oh no, guys! It's been. No way, guys. I have to look back at the video. Oh my god, guys, it spun. The fidget spinner just spun. No way, guys. The fidget spinner just spun. Oh my god. Okay, guys. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. I'm gonna tell my friend. No way. Guys, no way. There's no way. Okay, I'm gonna. Oh my god. Gonna watch my video at 3 a.m. No, I can't. Dirt Manty. Oh no. Look, I can't even search my name. Okay, guys, I have to properly type this. I bet you can't see it. Okay, there it is, guys. Okay, I'm just gonna watch my video.